In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce My Account page in Astra. We'll go through the full process of locating your existing My Account page in WordPress, opening it with an Astra-compatible editor or page builder, making sure the correct WooCommerce shortcode is in place, adjusting the layout, and then testing everything from the customer side so you know it works properly. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage both your pages and your WooCommerce settings. Once you're inside, find the WooCommerce My Account page. In most stores, this page is already created automatically by WooCommerce, so you usually won't need to build it from scratch. You're simply locating the page that controls the customer account area. After you've found the page, open it for editing using your Astra-compatible editor or page builder. Depending on your setup, this could be the default WordPress editor or a page builder that works smoothly with the Astra theme. The main goal here is to access the page content and structure without breaking the WooCommerce account functionality. Once the page is open, look for the WooCommerce My Account shortcode. This shortcode is what tells WooCommerce to display the account dashboard, including sections like orders, downloads, addresses, account details, and login or registration when applicable. If the shortcode is missing or placed incorrectly, the page may not display the account area as expected. Make sure you use the shortcode WooCommerce My Account exactly where you want the account section to appear on the page. It's important to keep it clean and avoid unnecessary extra elements around it unless they support the layout you want. This helps keep the customer experience simple and functional. Next, adjust the surrounding page layout and Astra settings. For example, you may want to review the page width, sidebar behavior, spacing, or title visibility so the account dashboard looks neat and fits well within your site design. Astra gives you flexibility here, so aim for a layout that feels organized and easy for customers to navigate. If needed, customize the navigation and content styling. This might include refining typography, spacing, button appearance, or tab presentation so the account area feels consistent with the rest of your store. Just make sure the styling improves usability and doesn't interfere with the core WooCommerce content. When everything looks right, update the page to save your changes. Then log in as a customer and confirm that the account dashboard works correctly. Check that the navigation loads properly, the dashboard content appears as expected, and each account section is accessible. This final test is important because it lets you verify the real user experience before considering the job complete.